natutuwa ako dun sa passion na nakikita ko sa'yo. Yung willingness mo to learn more. Tapos ngayon nakakatuwa dahil nag-produce ka na ng sarili mong show. And ano ba yun, parang medyo konti lang sa industry natin, sa edad mo, na meron ng vision of what they want in life. And nakakatuwa rin na nag-aaral ka ngayon at pinagsasabay mo yung trabaho dahil hindi madali. Nag-drive, tawagan mo ako or basta huwag kang susuko na ituloy kung ano yung gusto mo at huwag ka rin mapapagod na gawin kung ano yung kailangan. Nandiyan naman yung mommy mo sa'yo, yung kapatid mo para magbigay sa'yo ng good vibes at guide ka sa lahat na gagawin mo. So, happy birthday again. God bless you. Love you.
Thank you.
This is the start of you being legally free. So, have a great journey in your personal life and career and make the most out of it. Happy birthday, love you, and God bless you.
Una ka nang nimir, tinarayan mo agad ako. Pero scripted lang pala yun, napag-utusan ka lang pala sa isang interview natin. And I'm so happy and thankful na isa ka sa mga una kong naka-work dito sa showbiz. And syempre unforgettable yun. And mas nakilala kita na hindi ka naman pala talaga mataray. And nakakatuwa na at a very young age, you have a very strong personality and sobrang matured ka na agad. And I'm sure, mas lalo na ngayon na now that you're legally free, you're 18, so mag-ingat ka na kasi legal ka na. Okay? Happy birthday and I just wish you all the best in life. God bless you more.
So I was there in your transition from a queen to a little lady, and now you're becoming a woman. I'm so happy that I'm here for you also. Growing up is a really, really, really hard thing to do, and I think everyone can agree. Always try as much as you can to look at the positive side of life. Stay rooted in the things you love. Stay humble and hardworking as you are. I'm always going to be here for you no matter what. And yeah, call me when you really need me. Happy birthday, love you very much.
Thank you, Miss Rihanna.
Happy 18th birthday. Remember that you'll always have an asset in me and I'll always be here to listen, to guide you sa alam ko na yun. And I wish you a lifetime of happiness and may God grant all the desires of your heart. I love you. Happy birthday.
Okay, so now that you're entering a new milestone in your life, this is the part where you start to go through the things that you're going to be bringing until you grow older. So I have 3 simple wishes for you. First is keep the faith. In everything you go through, I hope you know that it's always His plan. And since He gave it to you, He will never leave you. So as it says in Exodus 14:14. The Lord will fight for you, you need only to be still. So because anything and everything you're going through, it's His battle and not yours. So rely and continue to have faith in Him, kasi never ka naman ng pababayaan. And even if it hurts and even if it's hard, always remember that He has a reason and He'll make you understand. And next, when life gets hard, always remember why you started. So when things get hard, alam ko nakaka-discourage ng tumuloy, but if you go back to the root and to the heart of the reason why you're doing it, then I'm sure it will motivate you to keep going. So you're already living a part of your dream, and ang sarap ng feeling, di ba? So from here on out, let nothing stop you from getting where you want to be. And last is never forget that so many people love you. So I hope that this is the one that will instantly turn your frown upside down. And sana hindi mo maging problema yung you feel lonely or sad. Kasi alam mo naman na through all the joy and all the pain, we're all here to feel it with you. And you know naman na we will never leave you. So we'll smile and laugh with you. And if you need to cry, we're a shoulder for you. So, ayun. So in behalf of everyone who loves you, and especially me, we love you. Happy birthday, Bea.
Happy birthday. You know how much I care and I love you. I never knew that our friendship will come this far, but
there's one thing I will be thankful of, it would be the fact that I have you. And if you would know, you're one of the most trustworthy person that I know. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Bianca! Thank you for being such a good friend since the first day of school. Hindi tayo nag-getting to know, alam mo yan. Tapos, thank you dahil nag-connect tayo agad. Super duper, parang naging sister ka na sa akin. And, alam ko hindi tayo laging sweet sa isa't isa, pero always remember that I'm always here for you. I love you so much.
The Bea we know is not just a young lady who is beautiful inside out, dedicated, exuberant traveler, and a loving daughter. Bea is also a person who has a big heart. Bea is also empowered. An empowered lady who knows her mission. And a woman full of wisdom and a loving friend. Bea, tandaan mo, when showbiz gets tough, you'll always have me as your friend, as your ate. Kapag may nang-away sa'yo ng laki dyan, alam mo kung sino tatakbuhan. Alam mo kung sino ang manggigera in your behalf. I'll always be here for you. And I always pray for your continued success and sana more blessings to come. Love you, baby.
She had work, pero she left a message for you. I've always admired how this young girl's brain works. Para siyang 30-year-old woman trapped in a teen's body. Ang sarap lagi ng kausapin si Bea. Now that you're 18, more blooming than ever, I wish you more blessings, a heart like Jesus, and strength that you've always had. Kahit nakakatakot umakyat sa Pico de Oro, mahangin at delikado, you conquered the peak and had the sweetest smile of death. And that's how I see you in the next years, Bea. A woman reaching all her dreams, conquering the world. Love you, Bea. Ate, here for you always. And for me naman, Bea, I've known you since you're 14 years old. And now that you're 18, you're still sweet and brave. Akala nga namin ni Ate A, parang 23 years old nung 14 ka kasi pag kinakausap namin, napaka-mature mo. I hope you confidently go to the direction of your dreams and live a life that you have always imagined. I will always be your Ate Win-Win, and if you have any problems, I will always be here. Love you.
Birthday. So I just want to tell everyone about you, like in a friend's perspective. I like to describe you in 3 ways. So first, you make an effort in everything. Like when we first met, I obviously knew who you were. Like who doesn't know Bea? But you didn't know me, and you actually tried to get to know me. You were interested in knowing who I was. You asked questions about me. So I really appreciated that. And second, like Bea always has time for everything. If I message her at 2 a.m., magre-reply pa rin yan. Kahit nagtitaping yan, sabihin niya, BRB, I'll reply later. And she does. She really does. She keeps her word. And despite all of her successes, she never brags about it. So, something I really admire about you. And third, si Bea, she never tries to impress anyone. But still, she manages to. And she doesn't pretend to be anyone else but her. For example, when we watch movies, kaming tatlo ni Yani, pag Conjuring, pipikit niya mata niya, tapos lead reaction siya kasi hindi niya papanoorin. Pag sumigaw kami, saka siya sisigaw. Tapos wala nang sumisigaw, so siya lang mag-isa, pero she's still okay with it. Tapos sa Pitch Perfect naman, lead reaction din siya. Pagkatapos mahulog ni Fat Amy, dun lang siya tatawa, hindi while it's happening. Pero that's the thing about Bea. She's unique the way she is, but that's what makes her Bea, and nobody else can be like her. So, happiest birthday to the sweetest girl ever, Bea, and I'm truly privileged to share a friendship with a gorgeous queen like you. Happy birthday!
Anya, she also wants to send her love, and her primary message for you is that you've been such a great role model to a lot of the youth today in terms of mixing acting and education. So she wants to tell you that she's very, very proud of you. So in behalf of Anya, keep up the good work, Bea.
Happy legality. So this month of November, you should know that we're not only celebrating your 18th birthday,
we're kind of also celebrating our 2-year friend anniversary. Remember? Yeah, because we kind of met over Instagram and then we started talking on Facebook. Tapos nag-exchange kami ng number, remember that and that. But then, I think our friendship was really catapulted when I met you in your 16th birthday party. Because that's when I saw that, yeah, sure, that was the first time we talked. But I felt like we've known each other for such a long time. I mean, that's the thing I love about Bea. She really has a way of making people feel special. And she's really kind and generous. And despite her busy schedule, she manages to find time to make she manages to find time to plan hangouts, mga gimmick, movie nights, and whatnot. Happy birthday! Thank you for being the amazing person that you are. And thank you talaga for everything. Happy birthday! I love you.
Mars, happy birthday! Yes, talaga ka na Mars, and ayun, sobrang ikaw yung isa sa mga una ko naging kaibigan sa mundo ng showbiz dahil nga news public affairs baby tayo. So, mga bata pa lang tayo, lagi tayo nakikita. And sobrang happy ako kung nasan ka ngayon. And nung nakita kita nung umakyat ako sa taas, kitang-kita ko na sobrang saya mo. Sobrang nag-bloom ka kahit hindi ka nakakita, kahit hindi ka naman nakatingin sa akin, nakikita ko na sobrang happy ka. And lagi mo natatanda na nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Di ba tayo madalas magkita? I-text mo lang ako. Tandaan mo yan. And wish ko na sana malayo pa yung marating mo. Well, malayo naman na talaga yung narating mo. Kaya sobrang proud ako sa'yo. And happy birthday! I love you!
Bea, happy birthday! Ayan, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na, ha? Oh my gosh, na-pressure ako. Kaya nakakaiyak siya. Hindi, gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa'yo kasi sobrang strong mong tao. Parang kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong issue pa yan, iba na sa'yo, talagang wala. Strong ka lang talaga and always happy and always positive. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana as you age, or kahit ngayon na, nahanap mo yung true purpose mo yun. Yun lang, happy birthday. Hi, Faye! Hindi ako nakapag-prepare ng kahit anong message. Gusto ko spontaneous na lang daw. Happy birthday! Sobrang unexpected yung friendship natin dahil ikaw ang youngest sa twins na babae and I'm the oldest. Yes, ako ang oldest. And maraming salamat sa napakagandang friendship and sa mga advices mo. Kanina lang namin actually na-realize ni Barbie na sobrang nag-heart-to-heart talk tayo pero never ka namin nakitang umiyak. And that's how strong you are. At sinasabi mo sa amin palagi na kaya yan, i-push yan, and ikaw yung ikaw yung never kang sumuko sa lahat ng bagay. And tama si Ate A, kung nasa Pico de Loro tayo, kahit ikaw yung pinakalasa na kaakyat, napatunayan mo na kaya mo. And ganyan lang din ang buhay, kakayanin lahat. And I'm so happy to see you happy like that. Na ganyan ang ngiti mo. Thank you sa Republic sa'yo. Kami, mga kaibigan mo. And happy birthday. And I wish you all the best this life can offer. And you know what you want. And you know how to do it. So go get it. Happy birthday. I love you.
Bea, gusto mo ba yung totoong message ko sa'yo, sabihin ko? Hindi. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Alam nating dalawa, nasabay natin itong iniintay. Alam mo yan. Pero naniniwala naman ako na kahit before ka pa mag-18, alam mo na kung anong gusto mo. Na kaya mo nang mag-desisyon para sa sarili mo. Tumanda ka lang, yun lang ang nagbago. At idol kita sa pagiging matatag, sa pagiging strong. Na kahit hindi mo gusto, kakayanin mo. At gusto kong rin magpasalamat sa kung sino man ang nag-i-inspire sa'yo ngayon. Tayo! Kaibigan! No? Hindi! Ayan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana makatrabaho kita. And sana dito na matapos ang issue ng rivalry nating dalawa. Kakaloka. Stop. Ayun, I love you. Alam mo yan. And ayun, stay sweet. Kahit alam ng lahat na strong ka, alam kong sweet na sweet ka. At ayun, enjoy tayo mamaya sa taas.